Do you love KFC coleslaw and want to make it at home with simple and fresh ingredients? Then this video is for you. I'll show you how to make a copycat version of KFC coleslaw that tastes just like the original. It's creamy, crunchy, and slightly sweet. Plus, it only requires a few simple ingredients and steps. Trust me, you'll love this coleslaw. Okay, these are the vegetables that we need for our coleslaw. Just cabbage, carrots, and a little bit of onion. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up the cabbage so that it's in a manageable size. I'm going to be using my food processor to chop it all up, and that's going to give you the best consistency to be like KFC coleslaw, which is really fine. You can do it by hand with a regular grater, but it's going to take you a lot more time and a lot more effort. So let's just get this down into manageable sizes to go into the feed tube. All right, going to start feeding through our cabbage. Now I'm going to feed through the onion as well. And now I'll start feeding through the carrots. Oops. And all the measurements are going to be down in the recipe below the like button. You can see this is going to make a big batch of coleslaw. So for your next barbecue, 4th of July, any kind of gathering, it's a perfect recipe to have on hand. Plus, it keeps really well in the refrigerator, so even if you have a big batch, you can always use it up. Once our veggies are cut up, we're going to mix up the dressing now. We've got mayonnaise, regular granulated sugar, whole milk, buttermilk, fresh lemon juice, some apple cider vinegar, and salt and pepper. And we just want to whisk it all together until it's smooth. Now we need a large mixing bowl, and we're going to put in all our veggies. And you can see how fine the texture is, which is exactly what you'll see with KFC. Now we want to pour over our dressing. Make sure you scrape it out well, because any sugar that might be settled at the bottom you're going to need in the recipe. Now we're going to stir it all together. Make sure your veggies are all well combined, your carrots are interspersed all the way through, and everything is moistened. Now you might want to taste it just to make sure you've got enough salt. At this point, you want to put it in a covered container or cover this with saran wrap and set it in your fridge for at least 2 hours up to overnight, just so that all the flavors can meld well. Then you're ready to serve whenever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or if you have any suggestions for future videos. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link to print it out. Until next week, have fun in the kitchen.